In this video, we are going to see how to convert a flat data like this into columns. You can see that I have a header here. The column names are separated by a tilde sign. There is the company name, street address, city, and state. And similarly, these are the rows that we have, and they are also separated by tilde sign. It has the company name, the street address, the city, and the state. Select this entire data set and go to data, and you can see there is an option text to columns. Just click on that. As we discussed earlier, this is actually a delimited set of data, right? And the delimiter is tilde. So we will go ahead with the delimited option. Click next. Now here Excel is asking what is the delimiter used. We have to give others and give the tilde sign. Now you can see that Excel has already converted this into columns, and it is actually showing a preview on how it will look like. If everything looks good, you can click on next. Now you can see that the destination is given as A1, right? So when you give it as A1, it will override this data. But if you give say H1, it'll give the output here. So you will have the initial data as well here, and you will have the converted data set here. So it is up to you. I'm just going to override whatever is here. Click on finish. You can see that Excel has converted this data into columns. And that's all I had for today. If you learned something new from today's video, kindly consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Thank you so much for your time. Have a wonderful day ahead.